Thirsty AI. Training ChatGPT required enough water to fill a nuclear reactor's cooling tower. Study find. Oof. Water cooled? Their units are water cooled? Sick. An average user's conversational exchange with ChatGPT amounts to dumping a large bottle of fresh water out on the ground. New research says an average user's use is a bottle of water. Whoa. Popular large language models like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard are energy intensive, requiring massive server farms to provide enough data to train the powerful programs. Cooling those same data centers also makes the AI chatbots incredibly thirsty. New research suggests training for GPT-3 alone consumed 185,000 gallons or 700,000 liters of water. An average user's conversational exchange with ChatGPT basically amounts to dumping a large bottle of fresh water out on the ground, according to the new study. Given the chatbot's unprecedented popularity, researchers fear all those spilled bottles could take a troubling toll on water supplies, especially amid historic droughts and looming environmental uncertainty in the U.S. What are they going to have to do? They're going to have to build these things deep in the ocean or something? How are you going to cool these things down? What are you going to do?
Space.
Okay, you either blast them up or blast them down.
Yeah, it would have to be in the ocean somewhere.
You can go visit my friend Bruce down there at the bottom of the trench. I don't think you're going to want to have a mishap down there because then you get spill problems, contamination. Yeah. It's tough, Will. You need containment.
How would you cool it off? Like,
they need some sort of like recycling program to bring the same water back around a loop.
Yeah. But also take out the heat.
The authors found the amount of clear fresh water required to train GPT-3 is equivalent to the amount needed to fill a nuclear reactor's cooling tower. The latest supercomputer, which requires extensive cooling apparatus, contains 10,000 graphics cards and over 285,000 processor cores, giving a glimpse into the vast scale of the operation behind artificial intelligence. That huge number of gallons could produce battery cells for 320 Teslas. Or put another way, ChatGPT, which came after GPT-3, would need to drink a 500 milliliter water bottle in order to complete a basic exchange with the user consisting of roughly 25 to 50 questions. So GPT-3 needs to drink a water bottle. It's so weird when you see it when you say it in these terms and these words. Like, imagine all the other industrial equivalents. Like, your shoe drinks this many liters of water in extracting those materials. Or when you eat that cinnamon chip, that chip needs to drink whatever. And you're just like, because almonds, people were talking about almonds, growing almonds during the drought, and then bees. And
it's like 1,000 liters of water to yield one almond.
Everything costs something to someone somewhere.
There's a cost.
No freebie over there.